Now that you have learnt all the tools, you will see at the bottom of the screen will be tools that will show you different screen sizes and an undo and redo action button. The screen size option at the bottom will allow you to see how your email will appear on different screens. You will need to reset your alignments for any text that you have added on the main screen. The different screen sizes are meant to show you the many different devices that your email can be viewed on. So it is important to make sure that your email looks as to how you want it, in order to be presentable. Another tool that will be able to aid you greatly in creating the look and feel of your own email are the two tools on the left side of the screen. One of the tools is the Styles option. Here you can edit all options of the tools you have learnt, or upload, and create options on your own. You will be able to add your own font to the email, accustomed to your brand or website, changing the different sizes and colors of the headings and edit them in your own way. By clicking on the teardrop icon, you can edit them to the way you wish for them to be seen. You will be able to edit the way your ordered and unordered lists will look like as well. By clicking on the teardrop icon above the content, you will be able to view the different ways in which the content will appear. Moving on to adding colors. Click on the gray plus icon to add a new color to the collection of the previous set ones. You can change how light or dark your selected color will look like. It will then appear amongst the already set colors. Moving on to adding your own gradient. If you wish to add your own gradient, click on the gray plus icon again. This time you will be met with two color options at the bottom of the color grid in the editing panel. Click on one color to begin and select a color by dragging the cursor to which color you want. You can do the same thing for the other color by clicking on it. Moving on to adding shadows. Click on Add Shadow to add your own. You will be met with a variety of options for you to test out in your own way and to set a shadow option to your liking. Going into the icon section, click on Add Icon. You will be met with a variety of different icons for you to add. Let's add a new button. Click on Add Variation under the Button section. There will be many options for you to use and edit a button in your own way. You can name the style of button, and with the State option, you can control what you would like your button to do. You will be able to select your own font size and how you would like the font to appear inside the button. Another great addition is changing the color of the text inside the button and giving the text a shadow. You can also change the background of the button. You may change it to a background image, a solid color, or gradient. To edit or to add a new card, click on the Add Variation under the Card section. You will be met with previous editing tools. As mentioned before, you can use a variety of tools to edit the way your customized card would look like. To edit or to add a new type of image appearance, go to the Image section, and click on Add Variation. An editing panel will show you the various tools you can use to help increase the visual appeal of your image. This concludes the Styles option. Next, we'll take a look at the Media tab. The Media library is where you can upload all of the images that you would need to add to your email. You will see the Upload File option at the bottom of the Library tab. You can upload your images individually, and not in folders. At the bottom of the email, there are options to set the type of email you want. For example, scheduled emails will allow you to set the exact date and time at which the email you created will be sent out to your selected members. Manual emails can be sent out immediately. You can create emails and send them out directly to your clients. You can also test your emails to yourself before you send it to your clients. On event emails, these emails will automatically be sent out when a certain event occurs. You can choose the event in the drop-down list below or read more about them in your FAQ tab.